Hey, I want to let y'all see this t-shirt. Look at this, y'all. Bruce Lee, man. Bruce Lee. Woo! Nice. Bruce Lee. But anyway, today I'm talking about exercising and working out, you know. Now, I've been inactive because my some of my stuff was snatched away from me. Two major things were snatched away from me in less than 2 weeks, and they both was critical and rocked my world something terrible. But nonetheless, I continue. So I said to myself, to get ready for my next career, I need to be in shape. And I need to have myself an actual trainer, somebody to help me get this done so that when I make these cameo appearances and present myself, that I can be in better shape than what I can do just for myself. So I got online and somebody told me, hey, I got somebody that can help you. And they knew that I was desperate. I got some stuff getting ready to come up, that I was in a bad situation. I was in dire straits. So I need somebody that can help me get this exercise stuff done so that I can be in shape to do what I got to do. So I said, cool. Let me know where the guy's at. See if I can set it up so I can meet him tomorrow, ink out the deal. And he has said that he'll charge me probably, what'd he say? I think it was $3,000 a session or something like that. I said, okay, cool. All right. So I'm thinking I'm going to go in tomorrow, meet this guy. We're going to set this stuff up. I got to get going because I got things to do. You know, I want to try and keep my YouTube channel going, my Cold Crown, and everything else that I got working, that I'm working on, moving. So the guy told me, he said, yeah, man, meet him at such and such time at this little cafe area where the breakfast spot is at. And I'm like, at the breakfast spot, why don't we meet at wherever the gym or the place we gonna work out is at? Anyway, so I think this is suspicious. I end up going. I'm not afraid of nothing like that, but I go. And I notice this little shack place that we going to. Wood is all over the place and spider webs and things. I'm like, this is a raggedy little spot. And so he had told me when he comes in, he's going to be wearing like this blue jogging suit with like a lightning bolt going down the side. So I'm looking outside the window and I notice this heavy gentleman that looked like he had on a blue jogging suit. So I ended up turning my head because the people that was asking me for my order, what do I want to order and whatnot, I said, well, let me just wait a few minutes and give me a few seconds. Let me just get a cup of water, ice water with a lemon, please. So I sent them away. And I noticed that the person came through the door. This guy's got to be 300, almost 400 pounds. Starts walking towards the table because he recognized me from my YouTube stuff. And I was like, he said, yeah, man, I'm the one that's going to be doing the exercise for you. He dry heaving and having a difficult time breathing. So I said to myself, no thanks. I stood up and I was trying to be as respectful as I could. But I got out of there as fast as I could because it's in my mind, there's no way I'm about to work out with this fat exercise teacher.